One, Kechi. That longer throat. He has even there alongside this area safe. Even safe. He get the time where we say we do something for our place. He even steal the part of the goat, the leg, and run away. If I get any way that I even if he fall from my trap, if I feel catch him, I won't let her go.
I beg. How do I reach his house? That is, how do I see him?
You see, it's like now they come so.
Go in your house, go collect the money. No be me hold am again.
Oga, your friend dey for our station now. And he say the money dey your hand. That now you hold the money, and that is the reason why I'm looking. Now him even give me address of this place. So where is the money?
Hey, don't worry now.
No, as a matter of fact, you are even going to station with me.
What is the need of going to the station since I'm going to pay you here? If I talk that one now, you don't want check my pocket, see say, or check my nigga say pocket full everywhere. I go carry this one pocket and I can catch any amount I give to you.
As a matter of fact, you go first go to the station.
I'm giving you the money. You're talking about going to the station again.
Oga,
you said it's 6,000 naira.
Yes.
Stop raising your voice. This is Kechi you are talking to.
Okay.
I can catch any amount and give it to you.